How our dogs react to errors depends in very large part on how we handle them, right? So it's very important that we control our emotions and our reactions to what the dog did. We have to adapt to the student's needs, which means I do not handle errors the same way with every dog. So I have 3 dogs right now. Each one I handle, if they make an error in training, I handle it differently. Why? Because the dogs are different. Research says the optimal ratio is 80% correct reps, 20% errors. Most dogs are making way more mistakes than that in training. Or some dogs make quote unquote no mistakes in training. Either way, it's skewed too far in one direction or another. Stop chattering, because most of what you're saying is meaningless, and it confuses them, B, it's not giving them good information, and C, it's using up bandwidth, and they need that bandwidth to concentrate. All right, another reason dogs make errors is because of distractions. So when you're introducing distractions, you only want to use fluent behaviors. Why? Because otherwise the dog's going to make way too many errors, right? So if the behavior is not fluent, i.e., right, the dog understands it so well that they do it correctly on the first cue, meeting criteria 100% of the time over a period of at least, a month. If they're not fluent, then the dog's going to make mistakes just from the exercise itself. Now you bring it somewhere challenging where there's a lot of distractions, it's really all going to fall apart.